Policapr mobile multiple drug compounding device. Cardiovascular disease, serebrovascular disease, diabetes, HIV and tuberculosis patients generally use 4 or more tablets in a day, and multiple tablet use makes them feel invalid and non-compliant. There are licensing issues and resistance by pharmaceutical companies in producing multiple drugs in single tablets. Fixed-dose drug combinations in the form of Polipils may increase drug compliance and reduce cardiovascular and cerebrovascular morbidity and mortality. Polipil containing fixed-dose 4 or 5 drugs can only be produced in big pharmacy factories, and their commercial availability is limited. Pharmacy companies generally block patent expiry by obtaining copatent or Polipil patents. Fixed-dose Polipil combinations should be cheap, easily producable, and affordable for low-income countries. The most important barrier in secondary prevention is drug compliance and access to therapy. A joint report by World Health Organization and Wellcome states that bioequivalence instead of long-term studies was enough for the use of Polipils in cardiovascular disease prevention trials. They base their decision on reduction of morbidity and mortality studies previously performed for each drug, and new studies were not required for Polipils. We in Inaway R&D are developing a cheap, mobile, desktop, battery-operated device that can produce Polipils in pharmacies, hospitals, family physicians and patients' homes. This device was named Policapr, and the product produced Policapr. We expect to increase drug compliance with single Policapr use and decrease drug costs in low-income countries. Policaprs could be produced in homes of patients, pharmacies, hospitals, and family physician offices. What will be the benefits of Policapr? Why Policapr will be better than current drug use? Policapr will be unique, and there is no Policapr-like device in the market. Policapr can reduce multiple tablets to single capsule Policapr, and this can easily be done by patient relatives. Low-cost Policapr device will remove patent and commercial barriers in production of Polipils. Policaprs will be produced after patients' drug dosages are titrated by individual use and side effects determined. This approach will prevent Polipil discontinuation due to side effect of one gradient. In Inaway R&D we made patent application and produced a prototype of the device and tried some formulations for Policapr production. We need industry partners and academic centers to improve device, perform animal and human trials.